Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video tackles an important business question. How do we identify the most popular products across different stores using SQL? Let's dive into question 23, which asks us to analyze sales data to find the top 5 most popular products. Not by total revenue, but by how often they appear in the top 3 selling products across various stores. Here's the table we're working with, the orders table. It includes store number, the store where the sale happened, product number and part number, identifiers for the product, shipped quantity, number of units sold, unit retail, the price per unit, order date, when the order occurred. There's no primary key, and each row is a single transaction. The business goal is we want to find the top 5 most popular products based on 1. Total sales per product in each store in the year 2022. 2. Then, for each store we find the top 3 products by total sales. 3. Finally, we count how many stores each product appears in the top 3 list and return the top 5 most frequent ones. This helps answer which products are most commonly high performers across all our stores? Let's break down the SQL query that solves this. Step 1. Calculate total sales per product per store in 2022. This first common table expression, CTE, aggregates total sales per product in each store for the year 2022. We multiply unit retail and shipped quantity to get revenue per row. Then sum it by store and product. Step 2. Rank products in each store by total sales. In this second common table expression, CTE1, we use the dense rank function to rank products within each store by their total sales, in descending order. This lets us identify which products are in the top 3 per store. Note, dense rank is chosen instead of rank, to ensure products with the same sales receive the same rank without skipping numbers. Step 3. Filter to top 3 products per store. Here, we only keep the top 3 products per store based on their rank. This gives us a list of products that are popular in at least one store. Step 4. Count how many stores each product appears in the top 3. This final query counts how many different stores each product appears in the top 3 list. Then we select the top 5 based on this count. The column CNT shows the frequency, how often the product ranked top 3 across stores. So, a higher CNT means the product is consistently performing well. Execute the query, and we can get the top 5 most popular products. In the result, product 255017 with part number F124210001B appeared in the top 3 list of 26 stores, making it the most popular product across all locations. Key takeaways. Instead of just looking at global sales totals, we focused on relative performance within each store. This approach surfaces consistently high-performing products, even if their overall volume is modest. These insights are great for inventory planning, promotion strategies, product placement. That wraps up today's analysis on finding the most popular products across stores using SQL. Try running this on your own sales data. Modify it for monthly trends or categories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.